What's up guys, Joey here for YugaTech, and yes, the new iPhones are here, including the successor of the iPhone XR, the base iPhone 11. And yes, I know, we're not the first, but we finally got our hands on one, so here's what we think about it. But first, let's get this guy out of the box. So first we have the phone itself, and underneath that is the envelope that contains your quick start guide, your warranty card, and SIM ejector tool. Then a pair of lightning earphones, below that is the lightning cable, and above it is your charger. So much like the iPhone XR, the iPhone 11's body is made of recycled low-carbon aluminum material sandwiched by glass panels. Putting the two of them side by side, the only visual difference really is the rear camera layout. The 6.1-inch display unfortunately still sports the thick notch that I don't particularly like now that other phone companies have better solutions. But I am a believer that this generation of iPhones will be the last to have it. It still houses the speakerphone, the 12-megapixel front camera, and the sensors for Face ID. On the right side we have the power button and the tray for a single nano SIM card, and on the left we have the signature mute switch and volume controls. If there's one thing I love about this, the buttons are in the perfect position for your fingers to reach them. They're also low profile but still tactile and clicky. At the bottom we have the microphone, loudspeaker, and lightning port, which I also hope is the last time we have to see it in this generation of iPhones. Aside from changing the notch next year, I do hope Apple adopts a new port standard, hopefully Type-C. At the back we have the dual 12-megapixel cameras, LED flash, and a noise-cancelling microphone in a protruding square-ish setup that is of course reminiscent of the Huawei Mate 20 Pro's rear camera design. And it depends on how you look at it. It's either uninspired or it's a borrowed idea that's executed Apple style. For the overall build, the 11 feels lighter than the XR, which yes, is good for those who don't like heavier phones, but to me, for some weird reason, it makes it feel cheaper. But that aside, it's still a very sleek and premium feeling product which you would expect from Apple. Though I think it's safe to say at this point that we're all ready for the iPhone 12s in 2020. Apple typically does a redesign every 3 generations, and I hope what's in store for next year will be something new and innovative and things that consumers actually want, specifically on the hardware side. Honestly, the notch and the lightning port are getting old for most of us. But inside the phone, we're still in for a great treat with this guy. Powering the iPhone 11 is the latest A13 Bionic chip and 4GB of RAM, which is 1GB more than the XR. In any case, with iOS 13, the performance and software experience is pretty great. It's fast, snappy, and responsive, and look at that Antutu score. Just shy of 460,000. It's insane. We got the 128GB variant here, but 64GB and 256GB variants are also available. And of course, we got the product red color variant here. It's always really dope, and it supports a good cause. Now, official pricing for the Philippines is yet to be unveiled, so stay tuned for that. But if you don't know already, MSRP starts at $699 for the 64GB model. So what do you guys think about the new iPhone 11? Let us know in the comments down below, and if you enjoyed this video, please do drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon to miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit YugaTech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Joey, and I'll see you guys in the next one.